can you introduce yourself?
I'm Pieter Haxelmans. I'm inspection engineer at TotalEnergies platform Antwerp, and also I'm a key user of the Elios 3 inspection drone.
What is the context of using drones? Before
we bought our drone, we had to put in scaffolding in the tanks to be able to have an inspection on the roof structure of the tank. And in this case, we bought our drone just to eliminate this cost and to be able to work more safely in a confined space.
What is the evolution of the project?
2019, we bought our first inspection drone, Elios 1, as a test case. It went very well, so we upgraded to the Elios 2. And now last year we upgraded to the Elios 3 version.
What are the use cases of the Elios 3?
For the moment we are using Elios 3 mainly for the tank inspection, to inspect the structure of the roof and the shell inspection inside. But we also use the Elios 3 during turnarounds and shutdowns to enter confined spaces like drums, storage drums or pressure vessels, something like that. We also use it to inspect refractory inside ovens and stacks.
What are the benefits of the Elios 3?
The three biggest advantages of the use of Elios 3 is to reduce the downtime of the equipment, reduce cost, and of course to increase the risk, the safety level. Without having to put in the scaffolding inside a tank, we can save up to 15,000 euros per fixed roof tank. During shutdowns or turnarounds, we can do a pre-inspection, which saves time to be able to make our inspection more precise on the moment itself.
What are the next steps with Elios 3?
In the near future we will try to make a trial run with the new payload from Elios, the UT payload, which allows us to be able to take some thickness measurements on the roof without having to put people on site the roof.